Hallo, Juffrou Atinda hierso. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope you are very well. Vandag gaan ons nommerswoorde oefen. Today we're going to practice our number words. First, let's practice together. Eerste gaan ons saam oefen. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. Nou kan jy 'n pen en papier gaan haal om dit neer te skryf. Now you can grab a pen and paper and practice writing it down. Are you ready? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you very much. Baie baie dankie en totsiens.